The reason that we started this class is because we've been working with postdocs moving into biotech positions in the Bay Area and around the U.S. For many years, actually. And one of the things that we've noticed is that folks from an international background face sometimes some unique challenges when they approach the job market, and the purpose of this course is to sort of help people overcome that challenge, build some confidence around their ability to interview properly, negotiate for compensation effectively. And I teach the content that's focused mainly on like what happens in an interview, what are the guaranteed questions, how do you approach those questions effectively in a biotech industry interview setting.
Getting onto the job market in the United States can feel really overwhelming, and that you don't have to do it alone. You have a whole team of supporters in the International Students and Scholars Office who co-facilitate the class. You have Bill, who is the lead in the course, and you also have your colleagues in the course. So it's this course is really great. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not sure where to start, it will get you started with the process and also in touch with a really supportive and fun community.
Next year I'm going to hunting a new job, so I think I have a lot of the skills need to be trained. And fortunately, the ISSO and OCPD give us such valuable class about interview and about how to negotiate the compensation. I really learn a lot from this class. It's very wonderful. The teacher is wonderful and expert, and the environment in the class is very active and humorous, and we also got a lot of practice. So I feel very appreciated for this.
Usually people would pay hundreds of dollars for courses like this, and here for postdocs it was being offered for free. And I felt these kind of skills, sometimes you learn the hard way, and I felt that you never know what you can learn, and I felt that the least I would gain without knowing how good this course was going to be would be perhaps I'd pick up some skills, meet some people, but what I learned was that you also gain a lot of confidence.
I was nervous about was the behavioral questions in the interviews, because there were some questions that you don't practice as a scientist in a day-to-day basis, and you don't know how to properly address these kind of questions. So by having the opportunity of being asked these questions and practicing how to best answer these kind of difficult situations that you ever had in the past helps you a lot of how to respond.
What I enjoy the most is seeing the improvement. Within those 4 weeks, there's such a dramatic improvement between when scholars join us in their pre-mock interview and when scholars leave us. They're ready to go on the job market.
Before this course, I was just thinking about applying for a job. I think after this, I would actually go to try. Those who are interested in the bioindustry job in the United States, I definitely encourage you to attend this course, because it will only help you to move forward.
Even if you're not sure you want a biotech industry position, take this class and learn how job hunting works in the U.S. The second thing I would say is ask around about for people who have taken the class before at UCSF, and they're really enthusiastic about the outcomes, what they got from the class, how much they enjoyed the class, and how it just opened up new information that they didn't have before they took the course.
It's for life, you learn for life. And it's not that even if you don't need this skill right away and you're not going to the industry, I think it's something you learn and it helps you to be more aware of yourself.